Mi gente, aquí estamos. Here we are. Miren esta colección. Ay, ay, ay. Ahorita les voy a presentar a la dueña. Que ella nos va a mostrar cómo funciona cada uno de estos fidgets. You ready? You ready? You ready? Aquí está. Okay, Jocelyn. Go ahead and show us your collection.
I have a lot of puppets, let's say that. I have llamas, unicorns, shooting stars, snails, a Santa hat, Santa, a glove, a stocking,
Snowflake,
a game controller, puppet bracelets, dimples. I do not know what this is called, but I know it's a fidget. Snappers, butterflies, rainbows, Mickey Mouse, square puppet, watermelon,
pineapple,
a yellow puppet, a black puppet, a turtle puppet, another gaming control puppet, a snapper, bike chain, dimple, marble mash, and these are, I don't remember what they're called, but I know they're a fidget. And I have one. She's already playing with Slinkies. Dimple, Nipple.
What is this? How do you use this one?
You move it around.
Is this supposed to calm your nerves?
Mostly,
what is this
stress
for?
balls. Stress balls is good for anxiety.
What is this?
You squeeze it and then it comes up, but...
What do you mean you squeeze it?
Like that, and then you just keep doing it. But I think the best for a trip would probably be a stress ball. No, not a stress ball actually. Like a poppet or a dimple.
And this one, how do you use this one?
Huh?
How is this one used?
You you just pull it up and down. I have 4 of them.
Ooh, this one's cute.
I got that one when my dad let me go shopping for fidgets when they were somewhere, I don't remember. I got that, and I got this, and I got this. And then she got a fidget, but she lost it.
Oh yeah, that's
These
I think
two
this
are
one of the
glow-in-the-dark.
first ones that came out. Oh.
I got 12 fidgets on Christmas, and these 2 glow in the dark.
Wow. I don't know if it'll work here. You think it might work?
It's not. I don't think so, but my roommate does.
Oil.
Yeah, probably my roommate will turn green.
Oh, it does. Ooh, these do too. Which are glowing. Ooh, I can tell these right here. Oh. Darker it gets, it glows in the dark.
But if it was in my room at night, it would be green.
Oh, bright green. Really nice. You have a really good collection, Jocelyn. You
I
got
have
this.
I have 60 fidgets.
How many?
60.
What?
Thanks for the puppet squeaks.
What?
And down the puppet.
Oh, look at her. She's drawing over there.
She's grabbing my puppets and chasing over there.
Aww. This is my little artist right here. Look. Look at her little piece of art. She gets to paint. I love this. They get to practice their writing, their drawing, everything on here. Wow. Really nice, Jocelyn. Is there anything else you want to share with us today?
Oh, these. I got, me and my little sister, we got backpacks, mini backpacks with...
You can put your stuff in there. It might fit.
Yes, that's what I told you yesterday when I was over there.
She gets to put them in there now.
No, I don't think all of them are going to fit. Because I have a backpack, kind of like a cat backpack, and it could not fit. So I can only fit like probably 10 in there.
Is that big enough?
Probably the pocket will fit like about a lot more if they were tiny.
Let me see. It might be not so small. Not as small as you think. Let's try it.
Which one should I do? Oh, there's a pocket in here. I'm gonna do a poppet. I'm gonna do this poppet. This one can fit. That's one. So, this one, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7,
Where's my present?
8. Wait, no, yes, 8. 9. No, yeah, it can only fit 9 fingers actually.
What? Nah, you're just gonna have to use a bigger bag. Oh yeah,
But there's a pocket
definitely
down here.
no.
So let's see how many we can fit in here. We're gonna do this one. This figure right here. This one.
What is that?
It's a octopus poppet.
Octopus. Look at that, so cute. So you get to pop the head and then pop the little arms. Look, what is it? Oh, I love it. I love your sweater, Ma. And it matches you. You see, it's pink like your tennis shoes.
It's
Yes.
My backpack.
And she also got a backpack.
A snapper.
Let me see. How does that? Oh, I didn't know how that worked. Let me try one.
Look, have a thing. We can
I don't know, it's like this. I'm doing this wrong.
That one's hard.
I see.
Because that one's big.
Ow, ow.
It's like kind of like an exercise to your hand.
Exercise the hand.
I'm gonna
Exercise
do-
the hand. Exercise.
This. Wait, how many is that? 4, 5, 6, 7. It's getting beautiful.
Aw. I don't think they're gonna fit, to be honest.
Huh?
Aw, Beatriz.
Yeah, that would definitely fit.
Look at this.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 stuff could fit in this.
Got a little bag. Well, I don't know. I don't know if you want to carry them all in one bag.
Well, I mostly be taking them. As we were going shopping yesterday, my mom found my fidgets in the bag.
That's a cute little bag. I love that little bag.
Definitely for Disney World.
I'll see. Definitely.
Oh, she's over here.
Say bye to everybody. Thank you for joining us.